Hello guys, this is the app that I created for this hackathon. It's called Uber Offset and it's a simple way to offset CO2 emissions of car rides. So what's the problem? Have you ever wondered how much CO2 your daily commute adds to the environment? It's a question we often overlook, and one big reason for that is because the whole process is perceived as complex and expensive. Also, offsetting carbon emissions is typically seen as a corporate responsibility, not something individuals can easily participate in. There's a general skepticism about the actual impact of individual contributions and how transparent the whole process is. And for all these reasons, the average internet user may not take the initiative to research these topics. So this got me thinking, how can we do better? Can we create an app to make it simple for the average user to offset CO2? And in this case, to offset the CO2 emissions from everyday activities like overrides using blockchain tech. And turns out that we can. So the solution. Today we have the technology to democratize CO2 offsetting, making it accessible, transparent, and affordable for everyone. We have the Zillow blockchain that provides trust and transparency for every transaction, the token protocol that bridges carbon tokens onto the Zillow blockchain, and now we have the Opera MiniPay, so we can simplify the complexities of managing crypto wallets, and we can leverage robots with two infrastructure, and for this case I use a Google Maps API. So with this green tech stack we can have a revolution in personal responsibility for the environment, making it cheap and transparent to offset carbon emission. And for example, with just a few clicks, you can now offset the CO2 emissions from your car rides, contributing to a greener planet affordably and transparently. And now it's time for the demo. So now we are in the Opera MiniPay app. I have some cents here, and we are going to test the app. So we go here to test page. We paste the link of the app, and the app will automatically detect we're in MiniPay, and it will show MiniPay just there. So the app, we have home, the latest offsets that show the latest offsets that people have made. I made a little offsets there, and the about page that show how the app works. So in my case, I usually go from Quito to Cumbaya, Ecuador. Cumbaya, Ecuador. I hit calculate distance, and it shows me that the distance is 17 kilometers, and it shows me a little nice graphic there. So for 17 kilometers, I will need like half cent to retire some tons of CO2 tokens. So I will make this usually a round trip, and I go like 7 days in the week. So I will be offsetting for the whole week. So for it calculates the total amount of kilometers and how much money I need to offset this amount of the CO2 tokens that represents tons of CO2. So with this, I'm going to approve. Let's send, and it's going to approve 6 cents of CUSD tokens. Okay, transaction completed. And now I can offset this right. I'm gonna hit send. And the transaction complete. And it will take me to the latest offset page to show me the transaction that just completed. I can also see it on the Cellscan blockchain, the Cellscan website. I can see that it completed. I can see all the transfers that I've made and the burn also of the NCT tokens. Okay, so yeah, that's all for me. Hope you have a great week, and I see you around on the internet. Bye.